Hi, this is Carl Franceski with Long & Foster Real Estate, your friendly real estate agent. And we're sending you this video to invite you to my annual Client Appreciation Bowling outing here at the Bowmar Lanes in Rockville, Maryland. It's on May 10th from 5 to 7 p.m. You're invited, your children are all invited along with family members. Come out, have something to eat, do a little bowling, and possibly have a drink. And if you come out, you'll be able to do this with me. Almost a strike. Hi, this is Carl Franceski with Long & Foster Real Estate in Rockville, Maryland. We're getting ready for my annual Client Appreciation Bowling Party. We have about 70 guests coming, along with a number of suppliers that I deal with on a regular basis that are cream of the crop. But most of all, we're honoring wounded warriors here today. We'll have some here as our guests, and it's a project that's very dear to me. So just remember, business is good, but I'm never too busy for your referrals. Come on in, have a good time.
Hi, my name is David Gavin. I'm an attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I've been practicing for 41 years. I have always sent my real estate clients to Carl Franceski. Why? Because he follows through, gets everything done, and therefore I don't get these calls in the middle of the night like, what's going on with my sale? Anybody who needs a good realtor, I refer them to Carl. Anything I can do, I refer it to Carl.
Hi, my name is John Hodges with Gemini Title and Escrow. We have been a long time business partner of Carl. Not only do we refer our estate work to him, but we also benefit from the relationship and his referrals, and it's a relationship that not only do we value today, but we hope continues in the future. Thank you for being our realtor, Carl.
My name is Mike Amory, and I'm looking to move my family up to a larger home, and Carl Franceski is going to be my realtor.
Carl, when I grow up, I can't wait for you to be my realtor.
I had an investment property. I called up Carl, and it sold in 5 days. Carl, thank you for being my realtor.
When I grow up, I want you to be my realtor.
Hi, I'm Steve Klein with HSBC Bank, and I am a mortgage lender. When you have a mortgage need, I'm your friend indeed. I want to thank Carl for having me here. When I have a client who does not have a realtor, I refer them to Carl. He works with them with integrity and respect and always gets the job done. He's very sensitive to their needs and does a terrific job. Once again, I appreciate the opportunity to be here for this wonderful event. Carl, thank you for being my friend and for being my realtor.
Carl, thank you for being our realtor.
Together.